YouTube, Mustang Stampede out here working on the F250. I already converted the dome light and map lights to LED that I ordered on Amazon, so I went ahead and I'm going to do the cargo light. And basically, you take the two screws off there to pull the housing off, and I went ahead and pulled this off because I literally cannot make these videos and hold the phone steady and then also do the work that needs to be done. So these were Mars Auto LEDs from Amazon. It's like $8 for a 10-pack of the T10 or the 194 bulbs. That obviously the bases look identical there. Okay, so this is just a twist lock. You just twist it and it comes out. All right, so and then you're going to go ahead and take your LED bulb, go ahead and put it in the housing here. And if it doesn't work, I believe these are polarity specific, the LEDs are. So anyway, just snap one in. I have my key in my pocket to make this easier. So basically I'll just unlock it and the LED pops on. All right, I don't think I can really snap that back in real quick and we can see a difference between the two. Of course, that's not all the way in, so it looks a little dimmer. Plus, I got a lot of lighting out here. So, but anyway, that's basically all you're going to do, and you're going to snap one of these LED T10s into that side, and I could probably do the third brake light, but I don't have red, and I know some people probably do. Go ahead and change it out, but your LED bulb is supposed to match your the color of your lens, and that's a red lens. So I might just swap it out and see what it looks like and decide if I'll keep it in there or not. But anyway, any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. And then I'll drop some links for these Mars Auto LED light bulbs. As always, thanks for watching.